Selamat pagi, selamat datang di channel saya, Grammar for TOEFL, Simple, Clear, and Powerful. Hari ini kita berbicara tentang verbs of perception, seperti kita juga akan belajar tentang pola kalimat yang terkait dengan kata kerja ini. Ada kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan pengalaman sensorik dalam memahami sesuatu. Kata kerja tersebut dinamakan verbs of senses. Kata kerja persepsi yang umum termasuk melihat, mendengar, merasakan, mencium, dan merasa. Kata kerja yang terkait dengan indera mata.
See, watch, look at, notice, and observe.
Kata kerja yang terkait dengan indera, pendengaran, listen and hear. Yang terkait dengan indera praba feel dan indera penciuman smell. Kata kerja plus object plus present participle. She saw him running down the street. Ini artinya laki-laki sedang berlari jalan dan wanita itu melihatnya. He heard the baby crying. Artinya bahwa bayi sedang menangis dan wanita mendengarnya menangis. Pola yang kedua sebagai berikut. Verb plus object plus simple form of the verb. Pola ini digunakan untuk menggambarkan tindakan lengkap atau keseluruhan. She saw him run down the street. Artinya wanita melihat lelaki itu berlari dari awal, start, sampai akhir. He heard the baby cry. Artinya laki-laki mendengar bayi menangis dari awal, sampai anak tersebut berhenti menangis. Here are examples of verbs of sense used in sentences with different patterns. 1. See. Pattern 1. He saw her crying at the bus stop. Pattern 2. He saw her cry when she got the news. Second watch. Pattern 1. We watched the children playing in the park. Pattern 2. We watched the children play soccer. 3. Look at. Pattern 1. She looked at the dog running in the yard. Pattern 2. She looked at the dog run away. 4. Notice. Pattern 1. I noticed him leaving the building. Pattern 2. I noticed him leave the meeting early. 5. Observe. Pattern 1. The scientist observed the bird nesting in the tree. Pattern 2. The scientist observed the bird build its nest. 6. Listen. Pattern 1. She listened to the kids laughing at the party. Pattern 2. She listened to the kids laugh during the performance. 7th here. Pattern 1. I heard them singing in the choir. Pattern 2. I heard them sing their favorite song. 8. Feel. Pattern 1. I felt the wind blowing through the trees. Pattern 2. I felt the wind blow against my face. 9. Smell. Pattern 1. She smelled the flowers blooming in the garden. Pattern 2. She smelled the flowers bloom in spring. 10th. Taste. Pattern 1. He tasted the soup cooking on the stove. Pattern 2. He tasted the soup cool before serving it. These examples illustrate how verbs of senses can be used in different patterns to convey various meanings and aspects of actions.
Complete the following sentences using the correct form of the verb of senses in parentheses. Use either the gerund form or the bare infinitive as appropriate. Number 1, I heard the children play in the park. Number 2, she saw him dance at the party last night. Number 3, we noticed the flowers bloom beautifully in the garden. Number 4, he felt the rain fall on his face. Number 5, the teacher watched the students work on their projects. Number 6, did you smell the cookies? Bake in the oven.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.